Can animals really fly in the rain? It's a question that might seem simple at first, but it opens up a world of wonder and curiosity about the natural world around us. It's a question that sparks curiosity about the natural world. How do these creatures manage to thrive in such challenging conditions? We often see birds perched on branches during a downpour, but what happens when they need to take flight? Do they struggle, or have they developed unique ways to cope with the rain? The truth is, flying in the rain presents a challenge for most animals. The raindrops can be like tiny obstacles, making it difficult to maintain balance and direction. Imagine trying to run through a heavy shower. Now imagine doing that in the air. The effort required is immense, and the conditions are far from ideal. Rain makes everything heavier and harder to see, and wind gusts become more unpredictable. The combination of these factors can be quite daunting. Despite these obstacles, many animals have adapted to navigate the skies even when the weather turns wet. Their resilience and adaptability are truly remarkable. Over time, evolution has equipped them with remarkable abilities to handle rainy conditions. From specialized feathers to unique flight patterns, these adaptations are fascinating. Let's delve into the fascinating world of these resilient creatures. Their stories of survival and adaptation in the face of nature's challenges are truly inspiring. Birds, the masters of the sky, have developed various techniques to deal with rain. Their ability to adapt to different weather conditions is truly remarkable. Some birds, like mighty peregrine falcons, are powerful flyers. These raptors are known for their incredible speed and agility, even in adverse weather. They can muscle their way through heavy raindrops, adjusting their flight path and wing beats to compensate for the wind. Their strong wings and keen eyesight help them navigate through the storm. Smaller birds, like sparrows, employ a different strategy. These tiny creatures are more vulnerable to the elements and must be more cautious. They often seek shelter during the heaviest downpours, waiting for the rain to subside before taking to the air again. This helps them conserve energy and stay safe from predators. When they do fly in the rain, they tend to stay low to the ground, taking advantage of any available cover. This minimizes their exposure to the elements and helps them find food more easily. Their small size makes them more maneuverable, allowing them to dart between raindrops and navigate through gusts of wind. This agility is crucial for their survival in such challenging conditions. The next time you find yourself caught in a downpour, take a moment to appreciate the animals that continue to fly above. From the powerful falcons to the delicate butterflies, their ability to navigate the rainy skies is a testament to the ingenuity of nature. These creatures remind us that even in the face of adversity, life finds a way to adapt and thrive. The world of nature is full of surprises, and the more we learn about it, the more we're filled with awe and wonder. Their resilience is a source of inspiration and a reminder of the interconnectedness of all living things.